Within Business Central, you have the option to turn around and search, or to use the filters, which is available from the filter plane or in the heading of each of the columns. Now, depending on what you're looking for depends on which you should use. The search will only use what is within the list view. So the columns that are currently exposed here, it can use in search. However, with a filter, we can get very granular into things that are not yet seen. So for example, I've currently got the unit price, but I don't have the cost price exposed, and I can filter by the unit's cost of what cost us over $250. And just like that, we have ourselves a short list. Over 1,000. So things that we can filter on based on a particular vendor. So I want to see what items come from this vendor, and so on. Now this filter can be saved, and I can call this based on the filter here. The vendor number is First Up Consultants. So I'm going to turn around and look at saving, save as, and we're going to call this First Up. Now that we've saved that filtered view, filters allow you to apply those quickly based off saved, previously used filters that have been created. So if you find yourself in a position where you're needing to analytically find transactions or items, this could be within sales, could be within finance, on a recurring basis, the filters themselves have a highly powerful capability. Searching will only show you and allow you to use the columns that exist within the data grid of which it is exposed to the user. Thank you.